I gave them to her. Ai tau nas. Ai tau nas. Ai tau nas. So I is I. So did I give ta them u to her nas to her nas. Ai tau nas. Ai tau nas. Ai tau nas. Ai tau nas. So I gave them to her. Ai tau nas. Ai tau nas. So what is I gave them to her? Ai tau nas. Ai tau nas. Ai tau nas. The brothers hid from the king's soldiers. Au hob nchi nesneu e matoi pedo. So this breaks down to they hid, did, they, hob, hide, nchi, that is, or that is to say, ne, the, plural, sneu, the brothers, e, to, or maybe from, matoi, so the soldiers, matoi, which is the soldiers, of pedo, the king. I think it's pedo. I'm not entirely sure though, because it's got the p sound and then the r, but it's got the little mark over the top, which tells me that the comes before it, but then it's double r, which tells me maybe it's like a held sound. I don't know. So I just say pedo, pedo. So the brothers hid from the king's soldiers. Au hob nchi nesneu e matoi pedo. Au hob nchi nesneu e matoi pedo. So the brothers hid from the king's soldiers. Au hob nchi nesneu e matoi pedo. So, what is the brothers hid from the king's soldiers? Au hob nchi nesneu e matoi pedo. Au hob nchi nesneu e matoi pedo. Au hob nchi nesneu e matoi pedo. I don't actually know if the plural the should be m or though when you look at it like this, it's e and then it's m plus another m afterwards, which makes it seem like the sound should come before. So it should be e matoi, but I don't know really. There are no fish in the harbour. Mun dvit hun dimro dimro. Mun dvit hun dimro. So this breaks down to mun, no, dvit, which is fish. It is just TBT, but the B has a little line over the top of it, so I think it's tvit, 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 like that. Hun, in, and then it's temro, temro. I don't actually know what part of this is the definite article, and what part is the actual noun itself, whether it is te imbro or whether it is te imbro. So I'll just say it as a whole. Timbro, timbro, timbro. So mun, divit, hun, timbro. There are no fish in the harbour. Mun, divit, hun, timbro. Mun, divit, hun, timbro. There are no fish in the harbour. Mun, divit, hun, timbro. Mun, divit, hun, timbro. Mun, divit, hun, timbro. He carried you away. Affi deuten evol. So a did, f he, fi carry, deuten you guys, evol away. Affi deuten evol. Affi deuten evol. He carried y'all away. Affi deuten evol. Affi deuten evol. So what is he carried you guys away? Affi deuten evol. Affi deuten evol. Affi deuten evol. So what are the following in English? Ai taau nas. Ai taau nas. Ai taau nas. I gave them to her. Ai taau nas. Ai taau nas. A I taau nas. Au hop nji nesneu matoi pedoh. Au hop nji nesneu matoi pedoh. Au hop nji nesneu matoi pedoh. The brothers hid from the king's soldiers. Au hop nji nesneu matoi pedoh. Au hop nji nesneu matoi pedoh. Au hop nji ne sneu matoi pedoh. Mun divit hun timbro. Mun divit hun timbro. Mun divit hun timbro. There are no fish in the harbour. Mun tvit hun dimro. Mun tvit hun dimro. Mun tvit hun dimro. Affi deuten evol. Affi deuten evol. Affi deuten evol. He carried you folks away. Affi deuten evol. Affi deuten evol. Affi deuten evol.